India and South Korea have decided to upgrade their economic partnership, signaling a strategic push amid rising global trade disruptions and geopolitical uncertainty. The decision was announced on Monday after talks between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and South Korean President Lee Jae-myung. Both leaders agreed to begin negotiations to modernize their Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, or CEPA, which has been in force since 2010. Addressing the media after the meeting, Prime Minister Modi said that in an era marked by global tensions, India and South Korea together send a strong message of peace and stability.
फ्रेंड्स, वैश्विक तनाव के इस दौर में भारत और कोरिया मिलकर शांति और स्थिरता का संदेश देते हैं। हमें बहुत खुशी है कि आज कोरिया इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस और इंडो पैसिफिक ओशंस इनिशिएटिव से जुड़ रहा है।
He added that the two countries are now looking to transform their trusted relationship into what he described as a futuristic partnership. The focus is clear: expand cooperation across key sectors driving the global economy. From semiconductors and artificial intelligence to shipbuilding, energy, and emerging technologies, both sides are aiming to unlock new opportunities. Modi emphasized this broad vision, saying cooperation will span from chips to ships, talent to technology, and entertainment to energy.
8 वर्ष बाद कोरिया के राष्ट्रपति की यह भारत यात्रा अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज, मार्केट इकोनॉमी और रिस्पेक्ट फॉर रूल ऑफ लॉ हम दोनों देशों के डीएनए में है। इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र में भी हमारा कॉमन आउटलुक है। इन सब के आधार पर पिछले एक दशक में हमारे संबंध अधिक गतिशील और व्यापक हुए हैं और आज प्रेसिडेंट ली की यात्रा से हम इस ट्रस्टेड पार्टनरशिप को फ्यूचरिस्टिक पार्टनरशिप में ट्रांसफॉर्म करने जा रहे हैं।
Beyond economics, the Indo-Pacific region featured prominently in the discussions. Both countries reaffirmed their commitment to maintaining peace, stability, and an inclusive regional order. The leaders agreed that their collaboration will contribute to a free, open, and progressive Indo-Pacific, a region increasingly at the center of global strategic competition. Talks also covered boosting trade and investment flows, strengthening supply chains, and deepening people-to-people ties. The move to upgrade CEPA comes at a time when global supply chains are under stress and countries are seeking reliable economic partners. For India and South Korea, this renewed push reflects not just economic ambition, but a shared strategic outlook in an increasingly uncertain world.